Top 5 Passive Income Ideas for Beginners. Welcome back to Passive Income and Beyond, your go-to channel for all things passive income. Today, we're sharing the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. Idea number 1, dividend investing. By purchasing dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular income just by holding these shares. It's a great way to generate passive income while potentially benefiting from stock price appreciation. Idea number 2, rental properties. Investing in real estate and renting out properties can provide a steady income stream. This can be residential or commercial properties, depending on your investment strategy and market knowledge. Idea number 3, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money directly to borrowers and earn interest on your investment. It's a way to diversify your income sources and potentially earn higher returns. Idea number 4, create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Idea number 5, affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales through your referral links, you can create a passive income stream. This can be done through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. We hope these ideas help you start your journey to generating passive income. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which passive income idea you're most excited to try or share your own ideas.